So in AAV development, the role of CMC and the involvement of CMC experts early in development and the importance of that. So CMC teams are responsible for the manufacturing of products to ensure that the final product of appropriate quality and in a suitable packaging is available at the right time and the right place for treating patients. So law and principle, this sounds simple. For complex therapies like AAV, there's a lot of manufacturing considerations, and these may also be specific to individual products. So this includes things like scale of manufacturing that's required at different stages of development onto the commercial product, how the product's administered, so what is the delivery device, the dose, the volume, the concentration, is there any dilution requirements in the clinic? Is there any specific need to look at different formulations and stability considerations? There might be specific analytical method requirements, and also the supply chain logistics for these products is very complex. So there's a lot of moving parts, and all of this information is needed by the CMC team at an early stage to help define an appropriate CMC strategy, but also to identify and mitigate against any risks to ensure successful delivery against program timelines. In addition, the vector design itself and novel technologies such as engineered capsid can have potential to impact manufacturability, meaning that you can't achieve the yields required, or the product contains impurities that might impact on patient safety. So involvement of CMC experts early in product development, even at the research phase, is very important because they can provide expert guidance into the product design itself, and this can avoid costly mistakes later on. And then finally, something else that's really important is that you ensure the representativeness of material, right the way from the early proof of concept studies through toxicology, clinical and commercial applications. And this is one where CMC experts can advise on the best strategy, because what you want them to do is to balance cost of material production with material representativeness. So these are some examples why involving CMC experts early in product development is so important.